Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the conditional statements in Python. So the conditional statement in Python are if else, if else, and there are various loops, for loops. This we are going to study in this video. So what is if? The if condition is declared here, and here are two variables, a equals to 100 and b equals to 200. If the value of b is greater than a, then you have to print this statement b is greater than a. Here the value of b is 200 and the value of a is 100. That's why in conclusion we can say that 200 is greater than 100. That's why here it is printed b is greater than a. Here this condition got satisfied. That's why this output get printed. If this condition is not satisfied, then this output cannot be get printed. In Python, for conditional statement, we are not going to use a curly braces or brackets. We are going to use indentation. So try to focus on indentation, which is very important part in Python. Now we will see what is elif. If the previous condition were not true, then try this condition. That means if a is equal to 100 and b is equal to again 100, if a is greater than a, then you have to print b is greater than a. But this condition in this case is not satisfying. That's why we are going to another condition which is called as else if condition. Else if a is equal to b, means the value of a and the value of b are equal, then you must print a and b are equal. That's why here they have printed a and b are equal. Now we will see if, else. Anything which isn't caught by preceding condition, that we are going to print here. Suppose the value of a is 200, b is 100. If b value is greater than a, no, 100 is not greater than 200. This condition gets failed. Now we will move towards another condition which is else if. A equal to b, the value of a can be equal to b, no. So this condition also gets failed. But for this condition in else, if a is greater than b, 200 is greater than 100. Here this condition becomes true. That's why a is greater than b get printed. Now we will see what is pass statement. If statement cannot be empty. But if you, for some reason, you have an if statement with no content, put in the pass statement to avoid get an error. B is equal to 200 if b is greater than a. But here a value is unknown, but we want to execute this condition. At that time you can use pass keyword. I hope you understand. Now we will move towards loops. So this is a while loop. With the while loop we can execute a set of statements as long as condition is true. When this condition gets true, at that time this print function will work. And for printing I, the value get incremented. So here I equals to 1, while I is greater than 10, print I. And each and every time you must increment the value of I by 1. Initially the I is 1, we have to print till 10, and at each iteration you have to increment the value of 1. That's why in this while loop 1 to 9 numbers get printed. Here the value is 10. I is greater than 10. It is not I is greater than equal to 10. That's why 10 is got excluded only till 9. This get printed. Now we will see the for loop. Names equal to a, b, c. This is nothing but the list. In this list, a, b, c are the three values. For x in names, print x. This name get placed in x, and now the x will contains a, b, c, this value, and here in this for loop a, b, c will get printed. The for loop will scan all of the element in the list and print in a sequence. So in this video we understand the concept of conditional statements and loops. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching the video.